What is up, y'all? It's CJ Moto, and I just want to take a little flight this morning.
Please check it out.
We're going to go out here. We got the iPad mini, which I'm absolutely loving, and it's been a real blast, a real pleasure to fly with. Look at how beautiful it is out here today. It's just gorgeous. And I don't think I'm in FPV mode, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to switch into FPV mode because I really like flying around here in FPV. And I guess I'll go back into normal. So now we're in FPV mode. And man, the screen, I'm in some sunlight right now, and this screen does really well on this iPad mini. Check out the link in the description below and pick yourself one of these up. I'll also link the Ulanzi tablet mount. And I've got the screen protector and the case and everything that I bought for it that I've really enjoyed. So we got great reception right now. And I'm not actually filming right now, but I think I might go ahead and do some. Right now I've got HDR 4K 30 frames set up. So let's raise up a little bit. It's beautiful out here. I'm gonna go down to this tree right here. But yeah, keep one thing in mind, these tablets don't have cellular data, so make sure you keep the maps and everything downloaded to your device, just in case something were to happen. You can still track it on the map one here, but it's just going to be like a grid, so I'll show you what I mean. You go into Profile, find my drone, got it, precision search not available. Okay, now it shows you the location of the drone, but it won't show you anything else. Now when you get into your cellular device, that's when it'll show you everything else. So that's totally fine there. That'll work well. See, there's the controller and there's the drone. So if I turn around, let's see here. Let's turn around, bring it back closer to me. Let's see here. We should be able to see it moving closer to me. If I go back into that mode, Profile, find my drone, got it. Now it should get closer and closer. See, we're getting closer to it now. So it does show you where it's at in relation to you, but then as soon as you pick up your phone and get in there, you'll be able to track it using the maps on your phone. So that's cool. But anyhow, let's flip into sport mode. Right now I have this thing just set to spin way too fast. So I'm gonna go up here into camera. I'm gonna go into control, gimbal. I'm gonna go to advanced gimbal settings, and I'm gonna go to sport mode, and I'm gonna turn down that yaw speed to a more reasonable level. So let's try like 60 maybe. That's pretty good. And then my pitch speed's a little high still, so let's turn that to about 30. And then smoothness, let's go to like a 15 or a 14. And yaw smoothness 15. Now we should be able to get a pretty reasonably smooth flying experience out of sport mode and still go fast like we want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some recording here in HDR at 4K. Let me just find a good spot to start it. Let's come down over these trees. See, are we high enough? Yeah, we should be good. I'm gonna do a drop down from over these trees. Beautiful out. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. Let's do like this. Let's drop it down and fly through these trees. And I will link this video. But this is 4K HDR in FPV mode, sport mode. Pretty nice looking. Just doing a quick little flight. Oh wait, look at this. We got a kayaker. Ha! He's waving to me. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's cool. Let's go down there and get some footage of him, man. That's cool. He doesn't seem to mind. Where's he at? There he is, right there. Looks like he's taking photos. He's taking pictures of me, taking pictures of him, baby. Very nice. That'll be a cool little screenshot. Let's turn that video off. See if I can get some pictures of him, maybe. I wish I knew who he was, because he would probably love this. Let's go over here. See if we can do a quick flyover of him. We're at 19 feet off the water. Turn around. There he is right there. Now let's wick it up. This should be some really good footage. Really beautiful. Now we're gonna do a quick rise above these trees. Up we go. 45 feet. Beautiful. Oh, look at these hay bales. These look cool. "4K HDR. But yeah, you can set up sport mode to really be relatively smooth. Signal's dying out on us. Really wanted to get lower. There we go. See if we get our signal back. Oh, we lost signal. That's not good. Supposed to be returning to home, so it should be raising up. There we go, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Go ahead and stop that video and cancel that return to home. And we're heading back. There we go. Heading right on back now. Yeah, so once you get low and you have a lot of trees in between you and stuff, you're going to run into issues. Let me just go in here and check my return to home. Let's see, safety, bypass, 351 feet, return to home. Perfect, that's what I'm looking for. So it should go up to 351 feet before it does anything. So just don't be flying really risky biscuit if you have anything over your head, or it's not going to turn out good for you. That would be a really cool pass through right there. Let's try to get a video of that. See if I can do that real quick. Okay, let's see. We are in sport mode, so we have no obstacle avoidance, and our reception is solid. We're at 136 feet. Let me look what's around. We look all good. It looks beautiful, really cool. I'm trying to go through all this. That's what I really want to do. The reception's shoddy though, that's the problem. You gotta be, like I just said, you gotta be careful with that. But nonetheless, I'm gonna give it a whirl for y'all. Risk it for the biscuit. Really stupid, just because if it returns to home, I'm screwed. But my reception looks all right. It's beautiful over here though. Let's get some altitude and get out of here. It's not worth a shot. Cool, that'll be neat. There's Mr. Kayak. No, that's not him. Is that the kayaker? Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna land this thing. Well, not right now, I'm not gonna. Here's that kayaker again. Let me switch into photo mode and we'll get a little video of the kayaker, or a picture of the kayaker. Let's go to smart photo. Lose some altitude. 50, 40, 30. $18, $16. Get a few little shots of him. This is a different one, I think. Let's do a panoramic. Smart pano. Do a regular old 180. Definitely not in manual mode. We'll turn our exposure value to negative 0.03. Get a quick panoramic of the kayaker. Gonna have a lot of water in it. And then we'll go ahead and return to home. And I'm gonna go ahead and test out the Find My Drone using my phone just so y'all can see. But I'm gonna do a detailed review video on this tablet, some more of this iPad mini 5. Make sure you get the 5th generation one. I got the link to the one you want in the video description. It's super awesome, 256 gigs or something like that. Back into video mode. And let's get off this water. Now I'm going to test out this function real quick. I'm going to land over near my car. And I'm going to see if the Find My Drone works with this thing, how it would work. Because I do want to test that out if I can find my car. Let's see, where am I at? Here we go. Head on back to me. We are at 79 feet altitude. Heading on back. We are at, you want to be at like 0 if you're doing some real FPV flying. Right around 0, or maybe like -5, -4, -3. So now I can get some 4K HDR of me coming in. There we go. "4K HDR, the return to home."